Hi. Welcome to Nucleonics e-learning channel. In this video we are going to show how to install Geiger-Müller counting system model GC601A. Firstly, we have to unpack the received consignments and make sure that all the items are not displaced. After that, slowly remove all the items from the PP box and place them on the bench. Then power the counting system instrument through 12 volts adapter on the rear side of the system as shown in the video. Then connect MHV cable one end to the rear side of the unit and other end of the cable to the MHV connector of the detector. Before powering on the instrument, make sure that the HV knob is set to 0 position by turning it in anti-clockwise direction. Now power on the instrument through rocker switch. It shows firstly the name of the instrument and then the manufacturer name, and it sets to default menu. Finally, your instrument is ready for experimental operations. Thank you.